How many cruise companies are there in the world?
Only three.
Right. What are those three big cruise companies in the world?
Carnival Cruise Line, Star and Royal Caribbean Line.
Right. What cruise does Carnival Cruise Company run?
Carnival Cruise Line, Holland America Line and Princess Cruise Line and Costa Cruise.
Right. Which cruises does Star Cruise Company run?
Norwegian Cruise Line and Star Cruise Line.
Right. Which cruise does the Royal Caribbean Cruise Company run?
Royal Caribbean Line and Celebrity Cruise.
Right. How is Carnival Cruise Line being marketed?
As the fun ship.
Right. What does the Carnival Cruise Line attract?
Attract to the younger generation.
Right. How do Carnival Cruise Line ship attracts the young generation?
Because the activities are performed according to the younger generation.
Right. Who attracts activities tailored to the young generation?
Because the activities are performed to the younger generation and the age group between 20 to 40 years and who are enter on the cruise first time.
Right. What kind of ships does a Princess Cruise Line offer?
Modern and bright ships.
Right. In which areas is the Princess Cruise Line leading?
Which area is the Princess Cruise Line? Please repeat.
In which areas is the Princess Cruise Line leading?
Okay. Flexibility in food services and outdoor cinema.
Right. What is so special about the Princess Cruise Line?
Marginal product are available.
Right. For which age group is the Princess Cruise Line suitable?
Suitable for all age groups.
Right. What does Holland American Cruise Line focus on more?
At rest.
Right. How is Holland American Cruise Line decoration?
Is more conservative.
Right. What type of customers does Holland America Cruise Line have?
Age group between 50 to 70 years old and they are usually loyal and intelligent person.
Right. Costa Cruise Line belongs to which country?
Italy.
Right. What type of travel is the Costa Cruise Line famous for?
To travel between Europe.
Right. How the Costa cruise ships are?
Can you please repeat?
How the Costa cruise ships are?
Sorry, pause.
Wrong. What is Norwegian Cruise Line's specialty?
In Norwegian cruise, basically focus on the sports and the activities which are attract to the younger generation.
Can you please repeat?
Basically focus on the theme and sports and which are attract to the younger generations.
Wrong. Where does the Star Cruise Line operates?
Asia.
Right. Which markets does the Star Cruise Line meet?
Basically three markets, Asian, European and Australian market.
Right. What is very popular is Star Cruise Line.
Casino.
Right. What is Star Cruise Line expert in?
Expert in the short time duration cruise.
Right. What does Star Cruise Line pay more attention to?
Attention. Quality of services.
Right. How big are Royal Caribbean Line ships?
Approximately 1 lakh tons.
Right. What are the names of two big ships of Royal Caribbean?
Cunard Line and Queen Mary.
Right. What is the specialty of Royal Caribbean Line ships?
Can you please repeat?
What is the specialty of Royal Caribbean Line ships?
It basically focus on the theme and the activities which are attract to the younger, which are attract to the normal age group person.
Wrong. Which passenger are preferred by Royal Caribbean